The Nigerian Customs Service Area 2 Command One Port Harcourt for Rivers State don tok say dem go ensure say dem pursue all bureaucratic bottleneck comot from fast-track business for genuine importers and exporters. Custom Area Controller Area 2 Command One Imam Baba tok dis one during the commissioning of some projects for the port and say dem go continue to give access to authorities to only legitimate traders. E come beg the traders say make dem dey abide by the import and export rules and say im promise dem say dem go continue to dey do more projects for efficiency for service delivery.
The command pledges to continue to initiate similar projects and remain in the forefront in the execution of such projects to ensure efficiency and efficacy in service delivery. I will not relent to remind our stakeholders to continue complying with the government extant laws on import and export. Furthermore, let me reiterate here that legitimate importers and exporters shall continue to access us at all times. We shall consistently adopt modus operandi to ensure the removal of all bottlenecks associated with trade facilitation. We are resolute and committed to ensuring that we facilitate trade at all times as one of our cardinal mandates.
I'm delighted to convey the CGC's goodwill message to the CAC, officers and all stakeholders who made this project obvious. This conference center represents a new chapter in the life of this command, one that will bring together officers and people from all walks of life to share ideas, engage in dialogue, and new connections. It will provide a platform for learning, networking, and contributing to the growth of the service, and building an enabling environment where people can come together to explore new ideas and find common ground that will enhance capacity of officers to perform the duties and accelerate the impartation of technical skills to prevent government duty evasion and suppress smuggling activities.
From Rivers State, A. Carter Ojesele, TMC TV News.